Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make beef for burgers. First, let's talk about selecting the perfect beef. For a truly delicious burger, aim for ground beef with an 80% lean and 20% fat ratio. This balance ensures your patty remains juicy and flavorful. Freshly ground chuck is an excellent choice, or you can ask your butcher for a custom blend. Avoid pre-made patties, as they often lack the rich flavor and texture of freshly prepared meat. Next, let's form those perfect patties. Gently shape your ground beef into patties about 3/4 of an inch thick. Make them slightly wider than your burger bun, as they will shrink during cooking. A crucial tip is to press a small dimple into the center of each patty. This prevents the burger from bulging in the middle and helps it cook evenly. Remember to handle the meat as little as possible to keep it tender. Now for the seasoning and cooking. Season your patties generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper right before they hit the heat. Place them on a hot grill or a preheated cast iron skillet. For a delicious medium-rare burger, cook for about 3 to 5 minutes per side. It's important not to press down on the patties with your spatula. This only pushes out those wonderful, flavorful juices, making your burger dry. Finally, the resting and serving. Once your burgers are cooked to perfection, let them rest for 2 to 3 minutes. This short resting period is vital because it allows the juices to redistribute throughout the patty, ensuring every bite is incredibly tender and flavorful. Then, serve your magnificent burgers immediately on toasted buns with all your favorite toppings. Enjoy your homemade, juicy, and delicious burger.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.